How to upgrade your PS5 nice and easy. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your PlayStation 5 storage is maxed out from all those huge game files, today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your PS5 storage with an internal SSD, safely, step by step. So place the PS5 on a flat surface. Now if the logo is at the top, what you need to do is turn the PlayStation over. So the disk drive is facing you. Gently remove the bottom cover by holding one corner and sliding off. Locate the SSD expansion slot next to the fan. Use your screwdriver to remove the metal cover over the slot. So now we need to remove the screw holding the spacer. Now you got to be careful here guys, because you don't want to lose the spacer. You can buy them on their Amazon if you do lose one, so put them in a very safe place. So this is the SSD card I've bought. It's a Corsair MP600 Pro LPX. It's only 1 terabyte. You can upgrade to 2 and 4 terabytes. Now this SSD has got a built-in heat shield, so hopefully no problems with heat. So here we go, we are measuring up the hole we need to use. You need to put the spacer into that hole. So once the spacer's in, let's start putting, just be careful when you put it in, you do not want to put any force onto the pins. Just give it a little push and it'll just slide in. Okay, now all we need to do now is screw it in. So once screwed in, don't over tighten. Once screwed in, all you need to do is put the cover back on. Screw it back up. And then all you have to do now is put the cover back on. So there we go guys. One PlayStation 5 with added storage. So once you've got it all plugged back in, you need to format the SSD card. And once that's done, we'll go back to the home screen. So you need to go to settings. Scroll down to storage. 1 terabyte storage for your SSD. So if you scroll down to installation location, so when you install a new game, it's going straight to console. So you can change this to the SSD drive. So you can also do the PS4, change it to the SSD drive. So if you've got any games on your console storage, what you would like to put on the SSD drive already, go to games and apps. Scroll down until you find the game you want to transfer over to SSD. I'm going to put Astrobot onto it. So select items to move and then scroll over and press move. Press OK. It's pretty quick. That is a 37 gigabyte game and it's going within a few seconds and done. That is done, so let's see if Astrobot still works. Press any button. Working, not a problem guys. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video and it's helped you out, please give the video a massive like, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching guys.